It's very rare for anybody to expose himself or herself when they are quiet. The moment somebody starts to speak, then they expose themselves. But Zimbabwe has reached a situation or a point where the truth is now coming out. Mnangagwa himself exposing himself publicly. I need to put this video, then we talk about it later.
There were Masai. Information was publicity. There are no propaganda.
This is the reason why we are determined to speak on daily basis against Emmerson Mnangagwa's issues. It's because they are running a propaganda machinery. Right from the president's department, they are running a propaganda machinery. You go to Nick Mangwana, running propaganda. The Minister of Information, running propaganda. They are there on daily basis to make sure that they program themselves how to lie to the people of Zimbabwe. They've gone to an extent of establishing Varakash so that they lie to the people of Zimbabwe, not only to the people of Zimbabwe, but to the whole world. So you will see that these are people who are involved in all these shenanigans to mislead Zimbabweans. What Zimbabweans are demanding is something very simple. Zimbabweans are demanding food on the table. Zimbabweans are demanding shelter. Zimbabweans are demanding water. Zimbabweans are demanding electricity. Zimbabweans are demanding education. Zimbabweans are demanding health. Zimbabweans are demanding opportunities and jobs. These are just a few of the demands Zimbabweans are making. And these are basics. I just mentioned basics. So you would see that Zimbabweans do not have pekugara. We don't even have, because you can tell me that I own a piece of land, Kumusha, but is that land in my name, where I can be evicted at any point in time after living for a very long time, simply because somebody wants to come and do farming here, Uskwa? You see, this is the reason why we have to speak against this government, because it runs a propaganda machinery. The role of the Ministry of Information is to craft policies which shape a country. They must make sure that they craft policies which empower, which shape the country. But when you are lying, when you are running propaganda, you don't shape a country through lies. Lies never shape anything. So this is the reason I always say Emmerson Mnangagwa has overstayed his welcome. Emmerson Mnangagwa must pack his bags. Emmerson Mnangagwa must go. It is the people of Zimbabwe, it's us, the people of Zimbabwe, who must send Emmerson Mnangagwa packing. We have to agree at a certain point in time. Kuti Varakash, they must fall, Mnangagwa must fall. This must be our agenda.